Alright, here's the Carrier 38 CKC and Carrier 38 CKB running in cool mode. They're both running right now. They both have, I'm pretty sure they both have some sort of recip. You can't hear the recip over the buzzing though for this one. I can kind of hear the recip in this one. I think a Millennium Scroll. I think these might both have Millennium Scroll compressors. CKC. This new ream was running earlier. Shut off again. Yeah, I might stick around for a shutdown on these. I set my water down because these don't run for long. Alright. Look at how rusted that is. That's normal for CKCs. Yeah, this thing might go soon. I mean, listen to how loud it is. It's buzzing. And I'm gonna see if I can zoom in on the data for these reams. Let me know if y'all can see that. No, I don't think y'all can. I know they're from like 2023. Come on, focus. Focus. Well, I can't get to it. There is this fence right here, but you know, I'm gonna ask someone if I can go in here. Yeah, I have not seen the CKC run in a while. Yeah. Oh, this one just shut off. And yeah, I think I had a Millennium Scroll. Now we're just waiting for the CKB. And maybe even get a startup from this new ream again. Get a nice shot of the logo there. Ream. Come on, focus. Okay. I'm gonna see if I can get to the data on that one. Doesn't look like you can see much. There is a hole right there. I'm not sure what that is. It's about. I think the data might be faded on the. No, I see it. I see the data. Yeah, I think those both have Millennium Scrolls. Judging by the shutdown it had. These both had the same exact shutdown sound. Yeah. I'm pretty sure they have. Yep, I think GE Fan Motors. I think I see the GE tag right there. Yep.